may nakapagsabi na may isang importanteng tao na magse-celebrate ng kanyang birthday. Ito ang balita.
Happy birthday to you. Ay, feeling singer ako dun. Sarap. Hi, Ninong Chris. Happy 50th birthday po. Ang wish ko lang po sa inyo is sana po lahat po ng wish nyo ay matupad po. At pagkalob sa inyo ni God po yun. Sa tamang panahon. At mag-iingat po kayo dyan palagi. Kayo po ni Ninang Tuesday. Ingat po kayo. Merry Christmas na din po sa inyong lahat dyan. And Happy New Year. Miss na po namin kayo. Sana po makabisita na ulit kayo dito. At paggawa ang 1-minute challenge. Ready na ako ngayon. Hindi na magpapakabog sa mga baklang yan. lang. Ayun lang po. Miss you na po. Kita-kits soon. Bye-bye po.
Hi Ninong, happy golden birthday po sa inyo. Wish ko sa inyo, Ninong, is good health and more birthday to come. And mag-iingat po kayo lagi dyan. And salamat po sa lahat ng sponsor niyo po para sa 9's Angel. I miss you, Ninong, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I love you, Ninong. See you soon.
Hi, Ninong Sunday! Happy 50th birthday! Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng blessing na ipinahagi mo po sa akin sa buong 9's Angels. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Wish po namin, lalo na po ako, ang dalangin ko po ay patuloy ko pong biyayaan ng malusog na pangangatawan. At syempre, patuloy po sana ang biyaya na dumating sa inyo upang patuloy nyo pa rin po kami mabahaginan ng mga biyayang nakakamtan nyo po. Again po, Ninong Sunday, ang aming instant ninong ng bayan. Happy 50th birthday po sa inyo. Ingat ka po dyan palagi at mahal ka po ng mga keki at ng mga nanay's angels. Love you, Ninong Sunday! Happy birthday!
Happiest birthday, Ninong Chris. Wishing you all the best and success in life, good health always. We love you and we miss you. Happy birthday. Mwah, chuk chuk.
Hi, Ninong! Happy 50th birthday!
Say your wish to Ninong.
I wish you a Merry Christmas and I hope you be healthy this year. Love you! Yan, happy birthday, Ninong. Sayang wala po kami dyan para makipag-celebrate. Kasama nyo po in personal. Pero next year naman po, feeling ko nandyan na po kami. Kaya, stay healthy. Pasensya na po kung ano po nangyayari po sa inyo right now nila Tito Lee. And, ayun. Love you po, Ninong. Thank you po sa lahat ng pinaggagawa nyo sa amin. And, ayun. Merry Christmas. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, Ninong. Happy 50th birthday po. Thank you nga po sa pinasend niyo po sa amin na pamasko. At saka wish po namin din nga po na you stay healthy na kasi nga 50 na po kayo. At saka po you stay you live a long and happy life po with Tito Lee. And sana nga makasama nga po, dapat nga po makasama po kami sa birthday niyo po. Pero di nga po kaya. O sana po sa susunod na kasama nga po kami. At saka Merry Christmas po, Ninong. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Love you.
Bye! Merry Christmas!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Marami nagsasabi na isa siyang napakabuting tao at ito ang mga ebidensya.
Hi Sunday! Happy birthday! Golden boy ka na pala. Sana pagkita tayo soon. Tingnan mo ang Christmas tree ko, ang ganda-ganda. Bukod sa birthday greeting, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to Lee also.
Hi Sunday, happy birthday. I wish you good health at saka I know naman na masaya ka na sa love life mo. And masasabi ko na kayo yung childhood friends namin. So I wish na one day makauwi tayo ng Pilipinas para naman magkaroon tayo ng mini reunion. Marami tayong good memories dun sa Santa Ana. Especially during this kind of season. I don't know kung natatandaan nyo pa yun na exchange gift. Pupunta tayo sa, ano ba yung Big Bang Alabang ba yan? May mga rides. I forgot kung ano tawag dun sa mga yun. And we really had a lot of fun. Mga indoors game natin like crossword puzzle, mga Chinese jackstone, mga Monopoly, o di ba social? Yeah, happy birthday and I wish you have a good one. And Merry Christmas also and a Happy New Year sa inyo dyan. Happy birthday Sunday! I miss you! Mwah!
Hi Sunday! Happy birthday! Kahit wala tayong communication, mahal ko kayong magkakapatid. At sa nakikita ko naman sa mga post ni Tuesday, you seems happy naman and doing good. Kaya ang wish ko for you, good health. Since yun naman ang kailangan natin sa edad natin. Again, happy 50th birthday! I love you and I miss you.
Hi Sunday, happy birthday, it's your special day. Wish ko na good health, mauwi ka ulit dito sa Pinas para magkasama-sama ulit tayo at naway lagi kang maging malakas at more power to you.
Happy birthday Sunday and Merry Christmas. And Happy New Year!
Hi, Ninong Sunday. I wanna say to you, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Ninong Sunday. Happy birthday, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ninong Sunday, and advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Happiest 50th birthday, Ninong Sunday. We wish you good health and many more birthdays to come. I wanna say thank you for always being there for us. Kahit malayo na kayo, hindi kayo nakakalimot sa amin. We love you and we hope to see you soon.
Bye-bye! Take care always! Bye-bye!
Enjoy your day! And God bless!
Hi Sunday! Happy 50th birthday! I hope you have a good one. I remember when you were in grade school and high school, you loved to cook and you loved to decorate. You love to decorate your Christmas tree. Every Christmas, you have different motif. And I love your cooking too. Your mother's so proud of you and I am too. I hope you have a grand birthday. I love you and I miss you, Tita Ning from New York. Mwah!
Pati hayop gusto siya.
Hello, Sunday. Happy birthday. Kumusta ka na? Oh, ingat ka ha. Si Kuyang, kumusta? Oh, si Tuesday. Yung ate mo. Kumusta? Oh, thank you. Oh, ingat ka ha. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sunday. Enjoy your day. Sana lagi kang malakas. Sana bagyan ka pa ng maraming pagpapala ni Lord. I love you. Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday, Sunday Pangkin! Sa iyong kaarawan, Ang tangi kong dasal sa Panginoong Diyos ay palagi kang safe and sound sa mga ginagawa mo dyan. Continue to prosper in God's love and kindness. Alam ko namang ikaw yon. Hindi ka nagbago mula noon hanggang ngayon. And sobrang proud kami sa iyo bilang mga kuya ng ni Tuesday at ni Sase at bilang mga pamangkin namin. Salamat sa pagmamahal sa iyong mga titas, sa mga tulong na binibigay mo sa amin. Maraming salamat. Enjoy your birthday. Ayokong maiyak. And magpakasaya lang at mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sunday. Wishing you a very good health every day and full of happiness, joy, and laughter. I hope your dreams will come true and you are always blessed what you deserve. Bye, I love you.
Happy birthday, Sunday! Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! Sana'y maging masaya at maligaya ang iyong kaarawan. And God bless.
Kuya, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
So, yeah, we always wish for your happiness and hopefully we will get to see each other soon. Okay, have fun! Yeah.
Anak, happy birthday! Ilan taon na ba tayo? Ano handa natin? Sana marami pa dumating. Ha? Ingat ka dyan, ingat ka.
Happy birthday, Sunday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Kaya anak.
Okay.
Take care.
Happy birthday, Kuya!
Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy 40? Let's go. You look so good for 40. Say happy birthday, Tito.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Say happy birthday, Tito.
We wish we were
Mwah.
celebrating with you in person. We hope to celebrate and see you soon. Say mwah. Okay. He's not feeling well today.
Say no.
No. Anyway, we love you so much. We wish you health, success, prosperity, and strength
And love.
A lot of love on not just your special day, but the rest of the year. May it be abundant in all things good. We love you so much.
Love you, Kuya.
And we love you too, Lee.
Love you, Lee.
We're here to support you in any way possible that we may. And we wish you also happy holidays. We love you. Mwah! Say mwah! Mwah, Nick. Home, Nick. Hi, Kuya. Happy birthday. Happy 50th, tama ba? Pero hindi naman mukhang 50. So, again, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. And again, wishing you good health and more blessings. Love you and we miss you. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Kuya. 50th, golden boy ka na. Okay, boy ba? Okay. So, wishing you good health. Tapos, sana dumating yung blessing. Alam ko may mga pinagdadaanan tayo ngayon. Pero, pray lang tayo na everything will be okay. Sabi nga natin. For tomorrow is another day. Okay? So, ingat ka lagi dyan. Enjoy your special day. Siyempre, with your special someone. Diba? At advance Merry Christmas na rin sa inyo. Okay?
Yes, Merry Christmas.
So, sana makabisita kayo uli dito or kami ang makapunta na uli dyan. Okay? So, that's it. So, enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya! Well, dalawang bagay lang naman yan. Either kanina ka pa iyak ng iyak sa mga messages namin or hirap na hirap ka nang mag-translate kay Lee ng kung ano man ang sinasabi namin. So I'm giving you this opportunity to pause this video and explain to him what I just said. Ano ba yan? Anyway, Kuya, happy birthday ulit and I wish you good health and a great profession and also a lot of time with the family. Alam mo na yan. I love you and God bless. Yay! Happy birthday!
Hey Chris, I hope you have a fabulous birthday. Welcome to the 50s and the second half of your life. So happy to have you in our lives.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chris. Happy birthday to you.
At a half century, I hope you understood that and could hear it.
Happy birthday, we love you.
So I have to do this quick because you're just right over there getting a slice of pizza because you're really hungry right now. Happy 50th birthday, Punky. I'm so happy that I've been with you for the past 21 years. I'm so excited to see what the next 20 plus years take us to. And I'm just so glad I'm part of your life. Happy birthday.
At sa araw na ito, kami ay masaya para sa iyo.
Mama.